Hello guys, today we're gonna unbox the Wacom one. I just bought it, so let's open and see it. Here is the Wacom one. It's just one Wacom one from Wacom company. There is no other Wacoms. It's 13.3 display. So let's see. Okay. So here is like how to get started with the Wacom one. So basically we connect it first to the computer, then we install the driver from Wacom one /download, and we can register as well. So let's see what is that thing here. And this is basically the tablet itself. Okay, and here is the stand, just one stand, one adjustment. There is no much flexibility with that. And this is like the pen holder, so we're gonna see it right now. So let's see, here is the pen. Very nice, I like this. Backing, and just return it as it was. And what we have also here, let's see. So this is basically like instructions for how to get started with the tablet. So first we get here like the power cables. This is just like also quick start. This is very important piece because I'm in US, so we need this to convert it to the US outlet. Okay, let's see what we should do. So looking at that, first we should connect the HDMI and the USB to the computer, and you know the other terminal of the USB-C cable should be connected to the tablet itself in that way, not that way. Then we should plug the 110 volt power cable. Then we should turn on, and number 6 is basically to download and install the driver. So let's follow that. So let's now connect the connectors, the USB and the HDMI to the computer. So here is the USB, and we have to remove now, you know, my other monitor cable to connect the HDMI. Okay. Now the other two terminals of that cable. So that cable has two terminals and two terminals. The other two terminals, one of them will go to the power, which is number 3, which is that one here. So here is the power. So we just, it's like a USB, which is very nice. So we connect like that, and now we put this part here so that we are like you know, adapted to or compatible to the US outlet. So we then connect to the power. Then the other terminal here will go to the USB-C connector in the tablet, and it should be in that way, not that way. So let's see that. So here is the tablet, here is the USB-C input, if we, this is to connect it in that way, this is wrong. Let's see that this is wrong. It should be in that way. Otherwise, it will not work, you know. Okay, now after that, we should power on the tablet. Here is the power on. It's now on, but it's like a monitor. It will not work. I mean, if we open like for example, OneNote. Let's try OneNote here. I have like some sample. Let's try to write something. Oh, that's good. So it's already you know, compatible with Windows. I mean, you can just use it right away. You don't need to install the driver. Okay guys, that was it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.